You have the Vortex J24, easy to identify, raised camera panel, says Vortex, very square features, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You forgot to write it down. Whatever you do, you just can't remember. Well, let me help you reset your phone so you can reset your PIN. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we have to do is we have to power the device off. Ask for confirmation. And it just takes a moment for it to power off. Now with the device powered off, it gave me the confirmation vibration. We're going to hold the volume down and power at the same time. Volume down and power. This takes a long time, so get comfortable. If your fingers slip off, that's okay, just start over. But you're going to have to hold down for a full 30 seconds or even longer. We're going to keep holding even when we see the logo. So we're waiting for the logo, the Vortex logo, to show up next. Keep holding through the logo. Okay, and as soon as we see now the no command fallen Android, then we can let go. Where are you? Where are you? And there he is. No command fallen Android. So next, we're going to hold down the power button and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and it brings us the Android recovery menu. Now, with volume keys, we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press OK with power. Read the warning here. It's going to wipe all user data, messages, pictures, apps, everything. Okay, and this cannot be undone. Scroll down once with volume and press OK for factory data reset. It can take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two to get that data wipe to be complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. Remember, all we're doing is erasing the screen lock. If you signed up, if you turned on your phone with your Google or Gmail account, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device or Locate My Phone security, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail or whatever email you turned your phone on. You will need it. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.